As the demand for housing grows, the suburbs around Minneapolis and the rest of the world continue to expand. Suburbs build up in rings, and an urban edge starts to emerge. As the land is developed, the landscape is flattened, and wildlife habitat is destroyed. Looking closer at Rosemont, Minnesota, we can see how these suburbs build up on winding plots for single-family homes, typically with attached street-facing garages. Houses are constructed with cost-saving methods, contributing to a short lifespan. Wildlife and local ecosystems are forced to adapt. This change leads to valuable species being wiped out with rapid population decline. Zooming in specifically on monarch butterflies was helpful in understanding how habitat loss is affecting population, which has decreased by 90% in the past 20 years. This is mostly due to loss of habitat, pesticide use, and climate change. This project proposes a transition to new symbiotic suburbs that create value for humans and ecosystems across scales. The Lawns to Lagoons pilot program offers a combination of workshops, coaching, planting guides, and individual support grants for installing pollinator-friendly plantings in residential lawns. This project seeks to build and expand on this model, with the introduction of incentivized renovations that include space for wildlife and promote ecosystems. The program would start by identifying water bodies, parks, and nature areas. Then a priority area would be determined in collaboration with the Minnesota Board of Water and Soil Resources. As more blocks opt in, they create corridors and demonstration neighborhoods, which can start to have larger scale impact. Through a voluntary and incentivized process, individuals and blocks create an expanding habitat network. This process proposes small interventions for animal residents that are often neglected. This includes planting pocket gardens and rethinking backyards as nature alleys. Small-scale renovations that are prefabricated with integrated wildlife habitat are tax and rebate incentivized. These additions create value for humans and ecosystems. The flexible habitat network creates corridors that expand into existing parks, commercial areas, and nature areas. In collaboration with landscape architects and ecologists from BWSR, a planting plan would be established and could be repeated throughout. The types of ecological additions outlined are a deployable pollinator wall that supports bumblebees and butterflies, an expanded kitchen that protects bunnies, and an integrated bird dormer. A garden wall can reestablish a back fence while using minimal material and providing a habitat for pollinators like bees and butterflies. A kitchen addition extends and updates the interior while allowing for a space for cottontail rabbits to build a protected nest. Finally is an attic conversion that creates a new bedroom space and integrates birdhouses into the facade. Suburban sprawl continues to grow around the world, leading to destruction of habitat. Wildlife is forced to adapt, creating a new relationship in the process. How can this new relationship be mutually beneficial, where humans and animals can coexist and synergize?